Hey everyone, Jess here from Baby Village. Today I'm going to take you through the features of the brand new convertible car seat from Britax, the Be First. It's the premium seat in their range and it features brand new CLICKTIGHT installation technology. I'm the first to admit, car safety can be confusing. So before we dive into the features of this seat, I think it's important to note that whether you decide on a seat that features this brand new CLICKTIGHT installation technology, whether you choose an ISOFIX installation seat, or whether your seat uses the traditional seatbelt path, as long as you've followed the installation instructions correctly, then your child will be safe in their seat. What it really comes down to is the ease of use. So this CLICKTIGHT technology has been designed to take as many errors out of the process as possible. It's amazing to think how many times you're actually going to have to take that seat out and reinstall it yourself. Like when you need to move that piece of furniture or pick up the extended family from the airport. We of course recommend that for your first installation, you get it professionally fitted so you can talk with the fitter and watch what they're doing and make sure that you're confident doing it yourself at home. Secondly, what's a convertible car seat? So it's a seat that's designed to take your child from birth all the way through to about 4 years of age. It actually comes down to the shoulder height marker, so if you've got a tall child, they may grow out of their seat sooner than someone who's shorter. With the advanced safety technology that's been developed and built into this seat, you can now have your baby in a rearward facing position for much longer, which is much safer for your baby, up to 2 to 3 years of age if you can manage it. The seat then turns around and becomes an internally harnessed forward-facing car seat until your child grows out of that and moves into an internally harnessed booster seat. So some of the features of this brand new Be First car seat is obviously the CLICKTIGHT installation. So what does that mean? If you lift up the seat, you'll see that the seatbelt path goes through and there's a sturdy metal bar inside that's actually going to lock that seatbelt into place. Further features include deployable, advanced, side impact cushion technology. And it sounds like a mouthful and it sounds scary, but in actual fact it's really simple. These two dials, one on the torso and one on the adjustable headrest, expand to take on the impact of a crash before it actually hits the shell of the seat itself, which provides an extra layer of safety for your baby. The headrest is fantastic, it's just a one-hand adjustment, so as your child grows, the seat will grow with her or him. And this seat has been designed with a hard exterior shell, again to provide an extra layer of safety for your baby, and features inbuilt ventilation in the back to ensure there's no overheating. The Britax Be First, as with the other premium car seats in their range, features Tex fabric as an option. That means that you're getting a fabric that's spill-proof and stain-resistant, which means you're going to get a cleaner car seat for longer. Having said that, all of the trims, including the shoulder harnesses, pull off and can be machine washable. I hope this review has helped you understand a little bit more about car safety and a lot more about the CLICKTIGHT technology that Britax have introduced. If you have any more questions, if you want any more information, head over to our website, babyvillage.com.au. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you next time.